So guys, today we are going to be designing a hair flyer design. I have already gotten the resources I need for this design in my history here. So this is it. This is it. We're going to just quickly start working on the design right now. So guys, so let's start with our background. I'm using this background, this particular one here. Sorry. This particular one here. So I'm just going to take it to this side. Right here. Now, and I'm going to opace it, click on opacity. I'll opace it a little, so let's keep it at 50. I'm going to take this other one and push it to the front. I'm going to reduce it, put it to the side. I'm also going to opace it too. Okay, let's leave it at 50. Meanwhile, for this particular one, I'm going to reduce the darkness. Okay, let's try and see if we can opace the first one. All right, so this is what I want. This is what I want. So now on this I'm going to take a white shape and just put it here. Just put the white shape, sorry. Just put it here. Now this is cool. As it is now, I'm just going to no, I think I'll just take them down a little. Yeah. Yeah, we are cool. So I'm just going to, I think we're done setting the background. I'm just going to lock it. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to bring out the main image I want to use, and I think I want to use this. Is this the lady? Okay, yeah. Okay, ladies, wait. All right, I'm checking for the finest. But I want to make bold. Okay, the both are the same. Right, I have this in mind. I have this in mind. Now, for a special reason, I have this in mind. Meanwhile, I'm just going to increase it. Increase it. Now, let's take a look at what we are actually imitating. This is what we are imitating, these designs. The straight designs here. This is what we are imitating. Do you understand? So, going to go back. Now, I think I like this picture. But the same, because I would, let me see if I take this particular one to the front. Click on it. Let's see how it would be. Okay, let me reduce the size. Alright guys, now I think so I'm going to go back to this side. I'm going to increase this also. For this particular one, I want to take it to the back. I'm going to take it to the back of this one and draw it like this, and then I'm going to opace it. I'm going to opace it to 10. Can you see the progress? The progress, guys. So now, instead of just making this particular one shape, now we can see the designs we are imitating, right? Look at what we are imitating. We don't have to make it look so obvious that we are imitating these designs. These designs, right? We have to create our own unique designs. We have to create our own unique designs, something no one else have created before. That is what we're going to do. So now for this shape that I'm holding now, I want to max it. I want to max it now. I'm going to just take it out. Okay, let's reduce it. All right, now this is how it should be. All right, so we're going to copy it now, and we're going to delete the first one we did. We're going to take it down. All right, this is making sense now. This is making sense. Now for the previous one that we paste, let's leave it at 15. Let's leave it at 15. At 15. So guys, we're going to put in the name here and the thing. So let's look at what we are imitating. Let's look at what we are imitating. Just the brand name and the service. Alright, this is nice. Now let's input um our shape, radius to 20, radius to 20 to front. Now we're going to reduce it this way. I'm going to change the color to and we're going to increase the stroke. 1, 2, 3. Right? Stroke. Or what if I change this to a different color instead of white? It will not be sharp. Okay, let's do this way. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's just make it to Now this is me just testing, alright? I'm just testing and testing the style. That is design, the ability to test and test. Create something no one else has ever created. Alright, so let's keep checking. Let's check how it is. I think I like this. Now this is it. This is it. So for this part where the image that we collected, we're just going to put in this gear picture. And also put in this girl's picture too. Now this part she says 9K. I don't know. Alright, let's just see if we can find a way to just block that 9K. Okay, let's just leave it this way now. Let's deal with the brand name now. The brand name. Now on the shadow, let me see if I can reduce the stuff a little to make it more neat. So that's that. Now the brand name Toria Gold's Hairs. Toria Gold's Hairs. So let's leave it this way. Toria Gold's Hairs. Toria Gold. Let's change the font to leaks pattern. I love this font because it is very bold. Very bold font. Alright, let's go with Toria first. So we can get the best of the alignment. Toria. Now for these golds, I was thinking of putting the texture should be good. So as we clicked on texture, let's see. Now sharp Toria good hairs. Now I think we should change the font for this hair. So white spacing is for our good hairs. Alright, now this now then we're going to just see if we can put in the motto of this logo. So that's this. So guys, then the motto, quality hair for quality you, quality hair for quality you. Yes, reduce the spacing, reduce it. For quality you. Now this is it. This is it now. We are going to now focus on the service. Just copy. You're gonna put it, make it gold. Okay, wait, let me copy this. So we are going to copy the service now. So we're going to reduce the size. Well, design is creativity. Alright, let's test this. Let's test something right now. Alright guys, let's go back to our normal stuff. I was actually testing something. So this is it. This is it. This is it now. The service. I'm going to go to our line and put it in the middle. the texture. No, we are not using this texture. Let's see if we can use white. Delete texture and let's see if we can use white. Okay, let me take it to this side, save. Oh, this way is nice. Plus shape. Oh shit, okay. We're going to adjust this now and input our service. Let's see if we can take this one a little more down. Okay, now that we've done this, let's okay, what's the next? What's the next? I want us to let's go to our download resource and check for things to fit into that some empty space. Now this particular one we're going to do it like this. Yes, going to do it like this. We're also going to copy. Should we place it here? Let's look for something else to put here. Now we are going to let's change the color to this instead. Let's click delete the texture. Yeah, exactly. This is nice. This is nice. So right here in this edge, we are going to this place. We're going to be putting our numbers, every other details here. Okay, this is a number, a calling line. going to click here and I'm going to put in let me adjust this a little. Let me reduce the size. You have to be very careful when designing about your alignment. Your alignment have to be on point. On point, guys. Okay, let's go and shift this. Let's adjust it again. Let me think of increasing the opacity of that particular one. You have to make sure that every single thing blends. Every single thing blends. Now I can see that this quality hair for quality you is not really on point. It's too large, so I'm going to reduce it. So now I'm going to edit this and put in Instagram name, Abby. Instagram name, which is Storia Gold. I'm also going to copy our Facebook name. Let's put our Facebook name. Let's adjust it, and on the copy of the last one, let's input our Instagram name. Now on this other hand, we are going to input the address here. This is the address, shop 9 Alabade Street. We're going to delete and copy. Then this, right, change the color to, let's make it Alabade Street. Creative, guys, this is creative, so we're going to keep up the shape, white shape. Seems to be too tiny, so guys, this is nice this way. Shop 9 Alabade Street. Now over here, let's see if we can increase this. Now, so I'm going to go and get my icon now. This other one, I'm going to shift it small so it can be very obvious. Go to gallery, click on laser. Let's get the location icon. So you're going to click on this right now. So this is it. We are going to change the color. So should we change it to gold? There is no perfect color to fit this. Okay, this seems to be very nice and okay. So we're going to do, okay, before, let's just go and get the icons first before we align. Our voice is not really that loud, but let's go with this. Let's manage it. Okay. Okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. It has everything I'm looking right here for. So I'm going to change the color to this. So let's copy. I want to crop it. The first is Instagram. We're going to copy, crop. Second is our Facebook, right? Our Facebook page. The last is our WhatsApp. So I want to align it before making the three of them together and reducing the size. So let's go on. 2, 3. Okay, Tora Gold Vicky hairs and these 6. So let's make. Yeah, let's increase the size. Let's increase the size. So this now shop Alabi streets. Let's see how we can make. Font, sorry. Let's take a few view at what we have. This there's an error in this. That's lady. Let me get our design resources. What do I use? What do I use to write in this? Let's take this. Okay, this seems to be nice. So guys, let's change it. It seems to be very. Let's use this other font. See, if you don't have it, you can use any other similar fonts that you have. Now this is more perfect. This is very perfect now. Mm. So what's next? What next? Now I guess we need something to. Oh, the company's logo. Company's logo. So that's. Let's see what we've done so far. Shut up, I'm talking. Jesus. Let's take this. We'll draw it down to the biggest extent. Alright, there's something else I want to take it again. So guys, let's change the color. Vita. Let's click on plus, click on here again. You place black. Eraser, you can change the color now to this. Let me -1. Increase it. Okay, let's bring it down to, let's draw it. Long press and draw it. Going to opace it to 30. Alright guys, now let's click on this. No, this lady here. It's a little hard, but let's go. We are trying to explore. I don't know why I feel like I would like to change the fonts. Let's see if we have something better. Avengers Mites. Collected the funds from my funds. Padding. A right padding. Guys, this font is make this font is really nice. This is what we are going with.
Mommy, I just go to Kaya oh.
So guys, this is it. This is it. We are just going to add the logo now. That is exactly the problem I have right now.
Every day is coming.
Alright, I'm looking for this icon. I want to bring it down. Yeah, this is it. Bringing it down. I'm going to be giving you guys every materials that I have here. Every material that I have here. Sorry, yeah, good. Yes. So guys, knowing fully well that we still have to keep this one to the front, we can copy it soon. This is now making. It's looking more okay. Just that the just try and see where we can fix the logo. So guys, okay, I'm actually trying to align it. Yes, you see what I just did? Everything has to be in the same line. Sorry, I was just testing something. Okay, now let's go to this. Let me try and reduce the size a little bit. Alright, I think we are good to go. Why? Because the design look very neat, and that's it. That's it. That's it. The record here is quality hair for quality you. The shop and the service. So guys, it's a wrap. Let's call it a wrap. Let's call it a wrap. We are done now. Let's see the the ones that we tried to look at. Okay, this. Okay, yeah, I now get something we can do. Cycle stroke. We're going to do it at the side. We're going to change the color to we're going to copy it. We're going to reduce it. We're going to adjust it. We're going to change the color to brown. You don't need to opace it so much. Now before we take our logo to the front, ensuring that it's still in the same line, let's give it a full screen. Sorry, our gold hairs, guys. So talking about this, well, it's more than an hour since we've done this in an hour, so let's say an hour and 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. So let's save this design. Let's save it. These are all the resources I use. I'm going to send them to you. Make sure that you use them. All right. So I'm gonna save it now.